Explain the procedure to the patient. Put on the mask. Patient must also put on the mask and wear PPE. Release the catheter and adapter from the patient clothing and place blue pad under the patient line. Clamp patient line the tank off above the titanium about 1 inch. Wash hands. Open and set up dressing pack. Add extra sterile gauze, extension line, and mini cup. Put povidone iodine on the dressing container. Open sterile gloves, then wash hands. Put on sterile gloves, then soak the sterile gauze with povidone iodine solution. Using the sterile technique, wrap around the existing extension line connecting to the titanium with the gauze soaked with povidone iodine. Leave it for 10 minutes to disinfect. Place the sterile drape under the catheter. Remove gloves and wash hands. Prepare new extension line. Close twist clamp near the blue end and apply mini cup. Push down iodine gauze along with the extension line using sterile gauze. With gauze in each hand, disconnect old line from the titanium. Apply new extension line securely. Remove blue clamp above the patient catheter. Discard gloves and dispose all the equipment. Wash hands. Document procedure in the plan of care.